The cheap portable monitor display from Aliexpress is an 11.6-inch EM116 game monitor designed for affordability and portability, making it an accessible option for users seeking a budget-friendly secondary display for laptops or gaming setups. Here's a brief overview of its features. Affordable gaming solution. This monitor provides a cost-effective solution for gamers and users on a budget, offering essential features for an enjoyable gaming experience without breaking the bank. 11.6-inch display. The 11.6-inch size strikes a balance between portability and usability, making it suitable for users who need a compact secondary display for their laptops or want a portable gaming solution. 1366 x 768 resolution. The monitor features a resolution of 1366 x 768, providing clear visuals for gaming, entertainment, and general computing tasks. While it may not offer full HD, it still delivers a decent level of detail for its size. EM116 technology. The implementation of EM116 technology aims to enhance image quality, ensuring that the display produces delicate and detailed visuals for an immersive viewing experience, particularly tailored for gaming. HDMI-compatible and USB-C connectivity. With HDMI-compatible and USB-C ports, the monitor offers versatile connectivity options, allowing easy integration with laptops, gaming consoles, and other compatible devices. The USB-C support may also provide a single cable solution for both video and power. Tennessee panel technology. The Tennessee panel provides fast response times, making it suitable for gaming applications where quick and responsive visuals are crucial. While Tennessee panels may have limitations in viewing angles compared to other panel types, they often excel in performance-oriented scenarios. Portable design. Designed with portability in mind, this monitor is easy to carry and set up wherever you need an additional display, whether for work or entertainment on the go. For those looking for an affordable and compact monitor with gaming capabilities, the cheap portable monitor display from Aliexpress, featuring the 11.6-inch EM116 game monitor, offers a practical and budget-conscious solution for various computing needs.